पिन ले दो. There's no pin.
जो मैं एंट्री करूँ पकड़ो आप इधर इधर आ जाएगा इधर वो नीचे भी सबसे नीचे वो रहने दो बाद में करने के लिए क्या हुआ सिंगल बोलो
Thank you. So as I've mentioned in my videos, priority pass is accepted when you travel abroad, and that's what happened. They took the priority pass, they compared with the boarding pass, and they let us in. So I've told so many times in my videos, carry priority pass when you're traveling outside Indian lounge, and many Indians were not allowed because they don't have a priority pass. So watch my videos completely, try to understand what is the process. I'll link the video in the description below as well. So now I gave my priority pass, the match with the boarding pass, the name on the priority pass and the name on the boarding pass should be the same, like I've mentioned so many times in my video. So I'll give you a quick tour about Don Mueang Airport lounge and what is there in the lounge and compared to other lounges I've been to. So I hope you enjoy my video. Please watch this video till the end without skipping to know more information. Got some bread, jams. Some nice cakes. Some coffee machines. Got some alcoholic beverages. And some cool drinks, including beer, Singa beer. So we've got fruits as well, that's very good to know. And this is completely the seating area. I'll just go around and come. This is completely the seating area. So you access the food from here and then go here and access eat the food in this part of area. So this is the entire seating area that we've got. This complete seating area is you just carry the food, you eat here, and the time limit for this lounge is 2 hours, so that is 120 minutes. So they've given you 120 minutes to access this lounge. I don't know what will happen if you stay up beyond 120 minutes. I'm going to give you that update as well. So please stay tuned. So that side there is the washroom. Yeah. So we are sitting here, and I've kept my bags there, and we are sitting here and I've kept my bags. I think the beers are unlimited here. I'll just check it out regarding the alcoholic what is the condition on alcohol, because in Kathmandu Airport, when you go and travel international lounges in Kathmandu Airport, there is no restriction for alcohol, but I think there is a restriction in alcohol here. I'll just find that out for you guys, whether it's going to be hot beverages or cold beverages or aerated drinks. Let's see whether there is actually any kind of restriction on the alcohol beverages. I'll let you know in this video as well. So this was about the Bangkok International Airport lounge in Don Mueang Airport. So this is my third international lounge visit, one after Dubai, where I accessed in Terminal 2, and one in Kathmandu, and this one in Bangkok Don Mueang International Airport. I'm using this particular lounge. So I hope you enjoyed my video. Please share this video if you want to. If anyone is traveling to Bangkok, you should have the priority pass. How to apply for the priority pass, I've already made several videos about it. I'll link it in the description below, and also I'll try to add it in the cart. I hope you enjoyed my vlog. I'll come back with another new video. Please keep watching my Thailand series. I'll catch you in my next video.